Day uno numero 3. What is 3? Uno, dos, tres! Look how tired I look. Apparently today is boulder climbing, which after yesterday, I think yesterday I mentally psyched myself to finish about half an hour before we actually did, so that last half an hour was hard. And there were some sneaky hills. Super savage sneaky hills. But look at this. Can you see that? So cool. It's beautiful around here. Oh, there's a car. Let's have a look at this. Look. Beautiful. Today is a new day.
New pains.
New pains. Yeah, how are your feet?
My feet are fine.
Bottom of my feet are okay. It's the backs of my feet that are starting to rub a little bit. But I think once you get walking, you're all right.
Yeah, I need to just get into the swing of it again.
Yeah. Just keep walking. Just keep walking. Is it? 4.72 miles, 1 hour 52 seconds, heart rate 81.
And we took the low road.
We did take the low road. I didn't know there was a low road. There's a low road and there's a high road. And we took the low road. It was very rocky and branchy and up and downy. Some great descriptive words there. I really like this bit. It's very woodland-esque. Look at all the trees. Say it is worth coming down here to find the cave, because I haven't been able to find it, unless this is it. But if that's it, it's a little bit anticlimactic, if you're asking me. Walk 500 more. Today was tough. I mentally prepared myself for it to end like an hour and a half before it did. Same. When we got to the end of Loch Lomond, I thought we were there, and then we carried on. I mean, it was beautiful afterwards because I felt like we were proper in the Highlands then. Oh, I quite enjoyed the
Climbing bit.
The climbing bits, yeah.
Same.
I really enjoyed that. I'm definitely feeling it in my feet. Ready? Oh god, that feels so good. Oh god. End of day 4.